Cooking verbs. Chop. To cut food into smaller pieces. We might chop vegetables for a stir fry. Dice. Cutting food into uniform cubes. You can dice bell peppers for your omelette. Saute. Cooking food quickly in a small amount of oil or butter. He sauteed the garlic until golden brown. Simmer. To cook food in a liquid at low temperature just below boiling. Simmer the soup for 20 minutes. Steam. Cook food using the vapor from boiling water. She steams vegetables to keep them healthy. Knead. To press and hold dough with hands. He kneads the dough to make pizza. Percolate. To slowly brew coffee using a special pot. Let the coffee percolate for 2 minutes. Crush. To press or grind food into smaller pieces using force. Use the knife to crush the garlic. Peel. To remove the outer skin of fruits or vegetables. I can peel your apple. Grate. To shred food into smaller bits. Grate the cheese for the pizza. Grill. To cook food over direct heat. Grill the steak for dinner. Bake. Cook in an oven using heat. Bake the cake in the oven. Good job, learners! That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.